Blast off. It's launch day at Kennedy Space Center, and we're just minutes away from witnessing the incredible sight of a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket soaring into the night sky. Tonight's mission is a crucial one, as NASA and SpaceX team up to send a Dragon spacecraft packed with nearly 6,000 pounds of supplies to the International Space Station. Let's get ready to lift off and explore the details of this exciting mission. The CRS-31 resupply mission is set to launch at 9:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time from Pad 39A at Kennedy Space Center. The 230-foot Falcon 9 rocket will ascend on a northeasterly trajectory, with the first stage booster targeting a landing at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. This will mark SpaceX's 31st resupply mission to the International Space Station for NASA. The Dragon spacecraft is packed with nearly 6,000 pounds of supplies, including research equipment, food, and other essential items for the astronauts on board the ISS. The spacecraft is scheduled to dock with the ISS about 10:15 a.m. Tuesday, and will remain at the space station until December, when it will depart and return to Earth with research and cargo. Here's a quick look at the launch timeline. 9:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, liftoff from Pad 39A at Kennedy Space Center. 9:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, max Q, the point of maximum dynamic pressure. 9:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, main engine cutoff. 9:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, stage separation. 9:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, first stage booster landing at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Thanks for joining us for this exciting launch. We'll be back with more updates and analysis after the launch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest news and updates on space exploration and more.